Are you ready to take on the new year and everything that 2022 has to offer? Do you believe that you like your job and everything, but you still feel like you're meant for more in your career? And you want a life filled with passion and purpose. So you want to make sure you're creating a life and a career that you absolutely love. Well, if you answered yes to even one of those questions, I promise you this year's challenge is going to be perfect for you. I'm broadcasting from my home office right now, and I am so excited to tell you about this year's challenge. It's called A New Year, New You for 2022. If you're new to Shop Talk, you may have no idea that we absolutely love a new year. The reason that we do is I just believe the new year is so symbolic of a fresh start, a new beginning, right? Because you're just starting out that new year. And in fact, if you were with us last year, you know that we did a new year, a new you challenge, because we are just so committed to that each and every year. So if you want to check out what we actually worked on last year, when you get done with this video, head over to my playlist and take a look at the 5-day challenge. There, you're going to find all 5 videos that show you exactly what we worked on. You'll also see what our free giveaway was last year. I'll talk about that in just a minute. And you can see actually all those videos that we live streamed last year. Now, if you've subscribed to my channel or if you follow us on Facebook, I mentioned that giveaway, right? Well, you may also know that we're a little obsessed with the giveaway. I just love doing that because I love thanking our supporters and our fans here at Shop Talk. This year, our theme is all about manifesting what you want. I really believe in that. I always have. I've always believed that you really can get what you focus on and that you can take control of your life. If the pandemic has taught us anything, it's taught us that we can't control what happens in the world, but we can definitely control how we rise up to meet those challenges. So that's a little sneak peek about our giveaway in terms of manifesting what you want, taking charge of your life. If this sounds like it's right up your alley and you want to be part of our free 5-day challenge, this is all you have to do. Shoot me an email at DrDawn at DrDawnShopTalk.com. In the subject line, go ahead and put down New Year, New You 2022. That's it. You are in. Now, the next step is that you want to find out what we're going to be working on. So if you get a chance to join me live on Sunday night at 8 p.m., I'll be broadcasting both on YouTube and on Facebook, and I'm going to let you in on what our 5 challenges are going to be, what we're going to do each day, Monday through Friday, and of course, give you a sneak peek of that giveaway. Now, if you joined us last year for our challenge, you know I love starting the challenge that first full week that we all come back to work after the holidays. That's really when we need to start the new year with a different mindset, right? So our challenge will actually begin on January 3rd. That's why you want to join us on the 2nd to get all the particulars about what we're going to do. So here's what's kind of fun is that in addition to doing the challenge Monday through Friday, I'm going to join you after work. So Monday through Thursday, I'm going to broadcast at 7 p.m. The reason I'm doing that is I want to give you guys plenty of time to get home, take care of dinner, homework with the kids, all of that kind of fun stuff. So if you can join me live, I'm going to broadcast at 7 p.m. Monday through Thursday. Then on Friday at noon, that's when I'm going to broadcast live that day, check in with you, see how your challenge is going. And on that day, I'm actually going to give you your giveaway. So I will draw the name of the winner on that noon broadcast. So be sure to join me on your lunch hour that day. And that's how we'll wrap up the challenge. It's just super fun, you guys. I think it's a great way to start the new year off on the right foot. So I hope to see you this Sunday at 8 p.m. where I'm going to give you all the particulars. So be sure to check that out. I hope you had a very Merry Christmas with your family, and I hope you're looking forward to the new year as much as I am. See you on Sunday night. Have a great rest of your day. I will see you then, and take care. Bye-bye.